Helo, ni yw'r grŵp cofio mi a mai.
Hi, I'm Gareth Evans,
I'm Ellen Blake.
and we've nominated the memory group for the contribution to Wellbeing Award.
This group was created because our dear friend Mia Mai passed away over the summer holidays.
It was a big shock.
And we were all very upset.
We created this group to keep Mia's memory alive and to not feel alone in this sad time.
The first thing we did was memory jars. We decorated these and we put our favourite memories in there to always remember and feel connected. If we're ever sad, we can read over them and feel comforted.
The second thing we made was bracelets. We made these to have a part of it always with us. We also made these to feel connected to each other.
It has helped the group become closer, and being in a group made us come to the term that Mia passed and to also openly talk about it.
This group has helped us in so many ways to understand that we aren't on our own and always have someone to talk to.
We have helped to raise money to make a memorial garden in memory of Mia and a place to go if we ever feel sad. Our plans for the future is to plant flowers around the garden to make the garden feel more special and closer to our hearts.
It's been a really positive experience working with the girls over the last year. They've taken ownership of the project and come up with a lot of their own ideas, and I'm really looking forward to working with them on the garden over the next few weeks.
Pob lwc, merched!